Here we go. Oh yeah, they were living in there. Happy Sunday, everybody. Quick little ride to old Ace Hardware. Molded metal yellow. These little impact tools are going to make my life much easier when it comes to dismantling the inside of this van. I'm going to start pulling this all out. That part done. Now we're going to pull this down. So this is not going back in. Oh my gosh. Huh. Critters up here. Here we go. Oh yeah, they were living in there. We need a vacuum. So for this part here, after we pulled all that stuff out, was to get down here so we could get this ugly green carpet out and shorten up the vent tube that went up across the floor and up through the ceiling that we eliminated and ran our wires through there. So this is what we got left in the living room, I guess we'd call this. We wanted to get rid of this nasty green carpet. It was pretty bad. And then I think where this L is in the drain pipe, I believe I'm going to try to locate the freshwater tank there and perhaps put a vanity on top of it and remove the other vanity. But that is something we're going to look a little bit further down the road on. Yuck. So we got a package today. I'm not quite sure what it is, but I'm betting you it's for the van, so let's find out. Here comes the female man. Oh, comes the male man. All right. Oh, wow, this came early. Very early. All right. Woohoo! Look at that. We got us a new fan. And that is what we needed to install first before we put the solar panels on. I want to put a solar panel here and another one on this side of that. So now we got to take this one out, and I think we're gonna have to make the hole a little bit bigger. But yeah, so let's get to work on that. So we got to get this all out of here. I think it might be screwed in from the top. I think what we need to do first is cut this thing open. Sure don't need a whole lot, but we do need some. All right, so here we are, getting ready for our roof penetration expansion. So the first thing we got to do, trace this. Our fan mounted in here. Once we get our ceiling in, we can put our trim ring on, button it all up. But next step for that roof is going to be insulation. So there we go. We got our new roof vent in. Now we just got to finish wiring up our solar panels, mount our solar panels. But that's all we got time for on this one. The next video, we'll be mounting solar panels up here and hooking it all up. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.